Just going to show a quick demo on removing a door lock assembly from the passenger side on a Morris 1000. Now on some of the Morris 1000s they have got this actual little twist lever inside to actually lock and unlock the car, which actually operates this pin to slide across to actually stop this actual handle from actually operating. Now this one actually is faulty, but I can still do the explanation on it. So when you've got the door panel card off from inside the car, you will then be able to see this lock, which is held on with 3 screws from the outside, an actual operating lever running across there to the internal door handle pull, and also you've got this actual little twist lever here. Now you cannot get this out of the door until you remove this actual twist lever. Now there is a little spring clip that just goes inside of there, but that one's already been removed. So, but in order to pull this one out, you probably won't see it very clearly, but there is a little pin just inside of there. Now that is actually stopping it from coming out. So what you need to do is just reach inside with a screwdriver, just push that slightly, and then that will come out. Now actually if I bring it a little bit closer, you may not see it so well, but you can see just here there is a spring loaded pin which actually just springs in and out on there. It's quite easy once you've got it out, but when you're trying to find it in the car it's not so easy. So that is basically all there is to it. Then once you've undone all those screws, that will then just fall out of place. To get it back in, it's basically the same way. Push that pin in, pop it down in, and then it will then start working again. So, but there is, what there should be on the end of there is a little square piece to actually guide this pin in and out, to actually slide that pin back and forth when you twist this lever. Okay, I'm just going to show you a video again now of the actual door lock on the Morris 1000 passenger side in the car. Now basically what it is to actually remove this actual lock assembly from the vehicle, it won't come out without getting this out of the way first. So there's no way you can't pull it or do anything, it just won't come out. Now to actually gain access to actually pull this out, obviously you will need to just get inside the actual panel there. Once you've removed the circlip that I was talking about on the other one, was there's a little sort of C-clip just inside there, and then to actually get this part off here, you have then got to actually push a little plunger right in the center there. So it's not the best of positions to see. Oh, there he is. So it's a little bit of fiddling around to actually find it. But you just push that plunger in, and then that piece will then lift out, and then from there, once you've undone the 3 screws on the front there obviously, then that will maneuver enough and then the whole lock assembly will then come out. It's a little fiddly just getting it out through there, but it will then remove.
If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you've watched and enjoyed a few of our videos, you clearly like them, maybe subscribe. Hit the bell icon and YouTube will notify you when the next video is available.